What's up guys, Kawasaki Brad here and Darren from Grand Touring Concepts. I invited him over to try out the studs on Snot Rocket and we're going to see how that goes.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I've been on a motorcycle, several months, and Brad's like, hey, I got something for you. How about ride a motorcycle in the winter? Didn't believe him, seen his video on the studs, then I believe. So now I'm going to try it out. This is going to be fun. There's just so much grip, it's insane. You can lean right over. Yeah, it's crazy. This is fun.
Well Darren, what do you figure?
That is awesome. Great grip, and I know, Brad, you're not going to say it, but you do sell those on your website. Absolutely look them up and give them a go, and take a look at the other videos on the channel as well. But those ice studs work mint.
They don't really cost a lot either. They last a long time. They're just not recommended for clean roads.
No, but they work great for what we're doing, for sure. Good fun.